When you look around the world and look at your organizations that you work for, you will see probably three kind of leaders. Unfortunately, the world, the organizations, and most of the systems around us are filled with category one and category two type of leaders. So the leaders who think that they are the bosses and the boss around, they keep bossing around. The second category are the leaders who are just the preachers. Okay, they keep talking all the great things. They try to motivate you, but they themselves are, do not exemplify what they say. So they're just the preachers. And then comes the third type of leaders who are implementers, leaders who inspire us, who implement first and then let us know what they did, what worked for them, what did not work for them. They always empathize, and they are the kind of leaders who you will just fall in love with. Unfortunately, the world, the organizations, and most of the systems around us are filled with category one and category two type of leaders. But if you would like to make a change in the world by coming into the third type of category, then I would like to invite you to come to my 2 hours exclusive leadership webinar, which I'm going to do for you guys who are 35 to 45 years old. And I'll tell you the reason why am I doing exclusively for professionals and entrepreneurs in the age of 35 to 45 is because 8 out of 10 people in the age bracket of 7 to 10 experience are completely unfit to become leaders. So what do the rest 20% do? How this bell curve, typical bell curve works, and why the middle management is so stressed out, why there is a work-life balance paradox. I'm also going to share my mindfulness leadership system, which is going to make you an outstanding leader within 90 days. And I'll, by applying this system, you'll be able to operate out of a calm state of mind. You'll be able to stay absolutely self-motivated without any self-doubt or deception. You'll be able to master your communication skills. You'll be able to take quicker, better, and wiser decisions. You'll be able to build inspiring teams, resolve issues, and come out with solutions in a creative way. Stay consistently focused on bigger outcomes, become super productive and efficient without feeling burnt out, build wider influence as a leader, and have a fulfilled career and personal life. So if you would like to take these benefits out of my mindfulness leadership system, then go ahead and click the link below to register for the live webinar on Saturday between 9:30 to 11:30. It's a serious webinar for all of you people who really want to fast forward their career. So if you're not an action taker, but you're just a learning junkie is someone who jumps from one webinar to another webinar, one free YouTube video to another free YouTube video. If you're one of that, then you might as well not come. But if you're a serious action taker and you're going to implement your leader who's going to be an implementer, then please go ahead, come to this webinar, and I can assure you, you will have a breakthrough time in this webinar. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Srimay, your mindfulness coach, and I'll be looking forward to welcome you there. Bye-bye. Take care.